what we expected out of it today.
I don't really know, because the previous owner told me it was mapped.
Okay.
But I don't think it is.
Well,
so
we should
find out.
certainly find out. There's our first Colt of the year, waiting to go on the dyno. See what power this makes, local car, just purchased it. So this is our pre-tuning dyno session. Lots of potential, it's in the right place. Dynodaze specialises in Mitsubishi Colts, as you know, so we'll see what power she makes on the dyno, and then we should offer the customer our services. It's a quick fire start, wrong valve. These are no good for them because it's obviously a MAF sensor car, you guys know that. And it's also got a pre-cat decat. So let's see what she makes. Well, looking at that curve as a snapshot, and the fact that she's at 175 brake horsepower, I'm going to suggest that that's actually been benchmarked, and part of the evidence supporting that is the fact that the tamper-proof bolts have actually been removed. So obviously a decent live map from Dynodaze to see this car around 200 brake horsepower, but we've only got, what we got? We've already got 175. So yeah, I'm going with the fact that this one, ladies and gentlemen, has had a bench map. Well, we can do better than that.